show you if the piece of this green we are going to make a piece of the bracelet. If we are make a bracelet, let me show you. Here. One, two.我记得它以前有个盒子附掉的。Here. 1, 2, 3.
记错了吧？我对这个人一点印象都没
有。有的，我记得他。
今年。
嗯。2. 应该就买过一个单。3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Use again, oh, not 0.4. We use the 0.6. Okay. Let's see how use this design making a bracelet. Fold it. Make a loop like here. Then let's string the beads. 1. Because the color of this chain is a light gray color, so I put 3 pieces of the gray together. Make it looks more nice look. Let's see if we are put with the pearl here. Fold and make a loop. Go slow. Yeah. One, 2, 3. Yep. I heard those wheels burning. Cut. Why I cut the small link? Because the small link cannot go slow. another side. And the tight here, and the wrapper. The beads. Not enough long, so I'm going to attach some beads more. Wrap some beads. Continue. Thank you. I'm here use the fresh watercolor too much with the gray color because this design I feel not use too much colorful crystal much with gray color. Black, gray and white, the three color can show the high quality look. Yeah, will be shoot how beautiful. Then with some clasp, I'm going to get a small link. This chain, have you seen it before? It's the second time I show in my life. Yeah, second time. The beads is glass beads and it is the shape looks like a 3D heart or 3D triangle. Okay. Then I'm use this clasp to attach. Yeah. Jump into it. Yes, thank you. Here, then you can see it. Yeah.